Hi, I'm Jennifer T. Path, and today I'm going to be reviewing the GoPro Rechargeable Battery. This battery is designed for use with GoPro cameras, and it has a capacity of 1220 mAh. It can be fully charged in about 2 hours, and it provides up to 2 hours of recording time in 4K resolution. The GoPro Rechargeable Battery is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. It has a built-in LED indicator light that shows the battery level. It is also water-resistant and dust-proof, making it perfect for outdoor use. Here I am charging the GoPro Rechargeable Battery. As you can see, it is very easy to use. I am now going to insert the battery into my GoPro camera. As you can see, it fits perfectly. The GoPro Rechargeable Battery has a long battery life, so you can shoot videos for hours without having to worry about running out of power. It is also very portable, so you can easily take it with you on your adventures. Plus, it is backed by a 1-year warranty, so you can be confident that you are making a wise investment. Overall, I am very impressed with the GoPro Rechargeable Battery. It is a high-quality product that is perfect for anyone who wants to get the most out of their GoPro camera. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable and long-lasting battery.